Hi everyone, welcome back to ESL Speaking Corner. Today I'll teach you 30 common English phrases that native speakers use every day, at work, at school, with friends, and I'll show you how to use each one in a sentence. I've also prepared a PDF for you so you can get some extra practice. Okay, let's go over to the whiteboard. So this is the worksheet that we are going to do today. I will make it bigger, and you can download this in my Gumroad store, and I will link that down below. It's a 4-page PDF. So it's going to give you 30 common English phrases used in daily conversation, and I'm telling you, any native will know all 30, so you should know them too. So let's look at the first section. We actually are not going to go through every single one, but we'll go through a few in each section. You can download and do the rest on your own. So let's make this nice and big. Part 1, casual conversations. What can you say? So this is the actual structure of the PDF. I made it nice and simple for us. So the first part is the actual expression in bold. No worries. Then I tell you what it means. In this case, it's okay, don't worry about it. I give you the example sentence, how to use it, and then you should create your own sentence. This is actually how you remember vocabulary. It's one of the best ways to learn vocabulary. Flashcards are okay, but you really need to be using those vocabulary words in context in a sentence, and this really helps you to remember. So that's the first one. No worries, I can help you with that. So let's continue to the next one, number 3. We're just going to skip. We're not going to do every single one. Again, you need to do this on your own. I'm just messing with you. It means I'm joking. Example sentence, relax. I'm just messing with you. Right. So again, write your own sentence. That's the best way to learn. Okay. I'm going to continue down. Let's do number 8. Let's do number 8. You nailed it. It means you did a great job. Example sentence, great job on your presentation. You nailed it. And then create your own sentence. Let's go up. Let's do number 6. That's nuts. It means that's crazy or unbelievable. Example sentence, he quit his job and moved to Alaska. That's nuts. All right. So that's how you use it, and then create your own sentence. So these are in casual conversation. Let's look at the next section. So I'm going to scroll down. And again, you could actually just download this and practice along with me. Let's go over to page 2. I'm going to scroll up here to part 2. I'm just going to erase the board. And let's look at number 11. So if you're at work or school, if someone says, let's circle back, it means let's talk about this later. Example sentence, let's circle back to this tomorrow. Okay, number 12, if somebody says touch base, it means contact or check in briefly. It is not physical contact. So the example, I'll touch base with the manager. So you're either going to email them, call them, message them, but it means to contact them, but just briefly. Touch base. So this doesn't mean it's going to be in 1 hour call. Okay, let's scroll down. Let's do a couple more in this section. I'm just going to erase our marking so we can see clearly. Okay. Let's look at number 16. Ahead of schedule. It means you finished earlier than expected. We're actually ahead of schedule. Or if someone says, let's call it a day, it means let's stop working for now. It means or the example sentence, we're done, we've done enough, let's call it a day. That means you're going to pick up work tomorrow or at some future point. Okay. Let's continue down. Let's go to the next page. We're going to go over to page 3. And again, you can download this and then practice on your own. Okay, let me reposition this. We're going to look at 3, which is helpful responses and everyday use. So if somebody says, let's look at 22. Fingers crossed, right? Fingers crossed. Are we really literally crossing our fingers? No, but it does mean we're hoping for a good result. I hope I pass the test. Fingers crossed. Or 23, that makes sense. Just means I understand. That makes sense. Oh, now I get it. That makes sense. Okay, let's continue on. We'll do a few more. Let's go down to number 26. We see that here, you've got this. It means you can do it. Example, I'm nervous. And then somebody might say to you, don't worry, you've got this. 27, that's the plan. It means that's what we're going to do. Example, will you finish the project today? Answer, that's the plan. Right, that's what I'm going to do. All right, let's continue on. Let's go to page 4, towards the end of the document, and we'll look at the bonus tip there. So if somebody says, let me think about it, it just means I need time to decide. Can you help me Friday? Let me think about it. So if you hear this expression, let me think about it, maybe depending on the circumstance, maybe it just means they need an hour. Maybe it means they need a week. Maybe it means they need a month. So you definitely have to think about the context. You might even have to respond to them. Okay, sure, you can think about it. When do you think you'll be able to get back to me by? Because there's really no specific time length when somebody uses this. So you might have to follow up for clarity. 30, I'm good, thanks. I don't need anything right now. Want more coffee? I'm good, thanks. So let's look at the challenge, because it's one thing to actually see these expressions, see how they're used, but using them is really the key. First, understand when you hear them. Later, worry about putting them in your everyday conversation. And remember, any native will know them. Here's a challenge. Pick 5 phrases and record yourself using them in a short conversation or dialogue. So ask a friend, if you have somebody you learn English with, or if you have your own private teacher, go ahead and download this PDF and work together. If you are an English teacher yourself, download this and use it with your students. So here's the bonus tip. Review 3 phrases each day and try using them in real conversations or writing. Let me know how you did. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below. Now, where can you get this PDF? Let me just show you my Gumroad store and how you do this. Some of you have already downloaded some of my PDFs in previous videos. Some of you might not know what I'm talking about, so let me go ahead and just show you how simply you can download a lot of the PDFs that I create for my videos. So when you click on the link, it will bring you here. You'll see the name of the PDF, in this case, 30 Everyday English Phrases for Real Conversations. You just click on I want this. So this is the 4 pages that you'll receive. When you scroll down, they'll give you a suggested price, but you don't have to pay that. You can pay nothing, or you can pay the suggested price, or you can pay more. So I actually leave it up to you on a lot of my products. So many of them are free, and I do have some more comprehensive products that are paid. It will always give you the length. So in this case, it's a 4-page PDF. It'll give you the product description, and you will get an instant download. So all you have to do is click I want this, and again, you can change the price. You can put your own price. So maybe you just want to pay 99 cents. That's fine, or whatever currency it will convert to. Now, what does my actual profile look like? So if you click on my entire Gumroad store or profile, you can subscribe if you want to get notified every time I upload something. Now here, you have all the products lined up. So you can click on each one. It gives you the price up front. As I said, most of it is $0, or you can just pay the suggested price. You can pay a little more, a little less. And for the more comprehensive products, I do charge a little bit more. But again, I try to keep everything very reasonable and give you value. And a lot of these PDFs are connected with my videos, so you can use them along with the videos. So recently I've been doing some job interview questions on my other channel, ESL Job Talk, and here you can get actually a free ESL job interview answer planner. So for those that haven't checked out my Gumroad store, I encourage you to do so as I continue to create more products that you need. See you in the next video.